Ever wonder how you could make money online as a miner? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to explore 3 fantastic ways for you to start earning some extra pocket money, and the best part is, you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. We'll be talking about freelancing on Fiverr, where you can use your unique skills to make a profit. We'll also delve into the profitable world of reselling used items, a venture with no age limit and lots of potential. And finally, we'll discuss the exciting and rewarding realm of affiliate marketing using a blog or YouTube channel. These are all legal and accessible methods for miners, offering you a chance to earn money and gain valuable experience in the world of online business. So buckle up as we dive into the world of online money-making for miners. First up is freelancing on Fiverr, a global online marketplace for creative and professional services. So, you're eager to start earning your own money online, and Fiverr is an excellent place to begin. But where to start? Let's break it down step by step. Think about what you're good at or what you enjoy doing. Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design, or perhaps you love building worlds in Minecraft. Whatever your passion, there's a good chance you can turn it into a service that others are willing to pay for on Fiverr. Once you've identified your skill, it's time to set up your Fiverr account. Remember, you must be at least 13 years old to use Fiverr. It's as simple as entering your email address, choosing a username, and setting a password. Just like that, you're in. Now the real work begins. You need to create a compelling ad for your service. This is your chance to shine and show potential clients why you're the perfect person for their task. Be clear about what you're offering, how much it costs, and what they can expect in terms of delivery time. Make sure to be professional yet personable. Remember, people are more likely to buy from someone they like and trust. Once you've set up your ad, all you have to do is wait for the orders to come in. Be patient. It might take some time for your first order to arrive, but don't get discouraged. Keep promoting your service, and before you know it, you'll start seeing some income. And there's one more thing. On Fiverr, you're not just limited to one service. If you have multiple skills, you can offer multiple services. This not only increases your chances of getting orders, but also allows you to make more money. And there you have it, your first online job opportunity as a miner, freelancing on Fiverr. Our second method is reselling used items. Yes, you heard it right. Now, before you dismiss this idea, consider the fact that each of us, on average, has around 4,000 euros worth of items at home that are just waiting to be resold. That's quite a sum, isn't it? This method is a private resale, which means it's not subject to taxation, and there are no age limits to practice it. So, whether you're a teenager looking to make some extra cash or an adult wanting to declutter your home, this method is perfect for you. Here's how it works. You start by identifying items around your home that you no longer use. This could be anything from old books and clothes to unused gadgets and furniture. The key is to look for items with high resale potential. These are typically items that are in good condition and have a demand in the market. Once you've identified these items, the next step is to take good photos of them. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Good quality photos can significantly increase the chances of your items being sold. Ensure the items are well lit and captured from different angles to highlight their features. After taking the photos, the final step is to resell them on platforms like Facebook, Marketplace, Subito.it, and eBay. These platforms have a wide audience, which increases the chances of your items being seen and eventually sold. When listing your items, make sure to write a detailed description highlighting the features and condition of the items. This will help potential buyers make an informed decision. And if you think you don't have anything to sell, don't worry. You can also resell items you find for free. There are many groups on Facebook where people give away items they no longer need. All you have to do is pick up these items and resell them. It's that easy. So start digging through your garage or attic. Who knows, you might be sitting on a gold mine. Now let's talk about our third method, affiliate marketing with a blog or a YouTube channel. In the simplest terms, affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission from every purchase made through your referral. It's like being a virtual salesperson. You don't need to create a product. handle the sales process, or worry about customer service. You just need to connect the buyer with the seller, and you get a piece of the profit. There are two types of affiliate marketing: active and passive. Active affiliate marketing is what you often hear about. It involves spending a significant amount of money on advertising to get people to buy the product you're promoting. This method can be risky and is not suitable for everyone, especially if you're starting out and don't have a lot of money to invest. On the other hand, passive affiliate marketing is more suitable for beginners, and that's what we're focusing on today. In passive affiliate marketing, you put affiliate links of the products you talk about under a video, in your profile bio, on a blog, and so on. Then, whoever wants to can use those links at any time. Starting a blog or a YouTube channel are two of the best ways to drive people to your affiliate links. Imagine writing about your favorite video games or creating a makeup tutorial and including an affiliate link to the products you're discussing. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Starting a blog or a YouTube channel might sound daunting, but it's quite straightforward. For a blog, you just need a platform to host your website, like WordPress or Wix, and a topic you're passionate about. Write about what you love, include your affiliate links naturally within your content, and promote your blog on social media to gain readership. Starting a YouTube channel is a bit more involved but equally rewarding. You'll need a good camera or smartphone, editing software, and a topic you're passionate about. Make engaging videos, include your affiliate links in the video description, and promote your channel to gain viewers. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is to promote products that are relevant to your content and valuable to your audience. Be authentic and transparent about your affiliate links. Let your audience know that if they use your links, they're supporting you. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and patience. You won't see results overnight, but with consistency, dedication, and the right strategy, it can become a significant source of income. So why not give it a try? Start a blog or a YouTube channel, share what you love, and make money while you're at it. With the right strategy and persistence, affiliate marketing can become a significant source of income, even for minors. So, we've covered 3 fantastic ways to make money online as a minor. Firstly, we delved into the world of freelancing on Fiverr. By commissioning work, you can turn your skills and passions into a profitable venture. Whether it's removing backgrounds from photos or building complex structures on Minecraft, there's a market for your talent. The beauty of Fiverr is that it welcomes anyone over the age of 13, meaning there's nothing stopping you from signing up, creating a compelling ad, and starting your freelancing journey right now. Next, we explored the potential goldmine that is the resale of used items. Whether it's unused items gathering dust at home or free items you've picked up, you can turn clutter into cash by reselling on platforms like Subito.it, Facebook Marketplace, or eBay. This method is not subject to age limits or taxation, making it a highly accessible and profitable venture. So why not start digging through your belongings or searching online for items with high resale potential? Lastly, we discussed the power of affiliate marketing in conjunction with running a blog or a YouTube channel. By talking about products or services and placing affiliate links in your content, you can earn commissions on any purchases made through those links. And the best part, it's a passive income stream. The more people read your blogs or watch your videos, the higher your potential earnings. Whether you choose to write about your favorite products or start a YouTube channel reviewing them, the opportunities are endless. In summary, these 3 methods provide legal and accessible ways for minors to make money online. Each method requires a different set of skills and interests, but they all share one common thread: the potential for financial gain. Remember, age is just a number. With the right mindset and determination, you can start earning money online today. Good luck on your journey to financial independence.